Hey guys, it's your girl, Lady Lydia, and I have a treat for you. Look at this sleek grater. Now, I love to shop online, and I found this on Amazon, and I said, you know what? Let's try it out. So, normally I will use this type of a grater, and I struggle with it. It takes me forever to grate cheese, and a lot of times I scrape my fingers on that. So I decided to find something else that I think would be of help. So I said, let's go ahead and try this out. So this is going to be my first time, and I'm going to use this block of cheese. It's about 2 pounds, and we're going to see how well this grater stands up to the quality that it would give when trying to grate this cheese. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and put this together. So the first piece, we're going to kind of click it together with the little button there. And then after that, we are going to get one of the attachments. There's three that come with it. And there's a little handle that snaps together with this. And there it is. So we're going to put that together and go from there. So after this snaps, there's a little click there too that helps it to snap together, and it's together. So now let's go ahead and get prepared to grate our cheese. Now, I don't know about you, but I love to bake during the holidays, and cheese is one of the biggest things that I have to shred a lot of. So with the other grater that I've used and other graters in the past, it is such a struggle. So sometimes to save time, I end up purchasing the pre-shredded cheeses that are in the bag. So with that being said, let's see how this goes, because I need something that's going to work for me and be a lot quicker. Okay, so this grater, it can stick onto a surface, but for this demonstration, we're not going to do it. But as you can see, look at this. It's going kind of quick. It's shredded quite a bit of cheese already. And I didn't even use the little attachment to push it down. So now we're going to do that. And I'm trying to get a little bit comfortable with it because, of course, this is my first time using it. But look at that, guys. I would say less than 5 seconds, maybe 10. We shredded that whole block already. And it was easy. It was not a huge struggle. And I'm starting to like this. But we want to see if this is going to really stand up for that whole entire 2 blocks of cheese. So wow, you can see there's no cheese on the inside. And so we're going to go with our next block. Now, the first one, okay, it's a it's a little bit of a struggle, but for the most part, it's still, I think what it is that I have to get it steady and get it get comfortable with it. But once I do, it's a go, and it's shredding. It's coming out. It seems to push it out on its own without, it's not clogging up on the inside, which I was thinking maybe that is what it would do. But no, it's pushing it out, and that's pretty cool. So far, I'm loving this. And look at all that cheese, guys. Look at all of that cheese. I like this. And guess what? My hands is not near it, the grater at all, and it's still clear. So again, that is the dial that you can lock it to the surface. But for this demonstration, we're not going to do that because my stove is probably a little greasy. But this is the container that shows you the other attachments that goes with it. It's a smaller grater, and then there's actually a slicer in here as well. So yeah, this is pretty cool. There's so much I can do with this. So at the end, guys, I will show you how you will attach it to a surface. But as I stated, we're going to go ahead and shred the rest of the cheese because there is about 2 pounds of cheese. And I wanted to do it in real time with you guys so that you can see that it takes no time to do this. I mean, again, I love this. I'm really liking this. And I could see myself using this going forward. There was mixed reviews online. You had some who stated, "Oh, this was a mess, blah blah blah," and then you had those who gave rave reviews about this. So, but for the price of this, and it's manual, I think it's a great device because it's shredding the cheese with no problem. It's doing it very quick. Now there's a little bit of instability, but you're not risking your hands, you're not risking cutting yourself or anything like that. So yeah, I'm liking this. And you're shredding this in a matter of seconds. So look at this, guys. I mean, I am so impressed. Guys, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to share with you guys how amazing this grater is. I mean, yes, it's a little flimsy, but even in that, I have the confidence that I'm not going to, like scratch or cut my fingers when I'm trying to use a grater. So definitely this is going to be something I'm going to go to for the future in grating cheese. Now I'm going to also show you guys at the end, how it does to stick to the surface and what you would do, how to do it basically. But I didn't do it in this video because I had some oil on my stove. But this is how you would do it. You just simply turn it, and it locks to the counter. But guys, I appreciate your time with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and take care.